Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life, guys. So in this video, we're going to be making a fall wall decor piece. So let's jump into the video, guys, so I can show you what we're using. And don't forget that everything that I'm using is linked in the description box below. So let me show you what I have. So the Dollar Tree does have these circular signs. I took this outside, as you can see, and spray painted it in black. And I do all of the spray painting ahead of time, guys, because you could paint it on, you could spray paint it on any color that suits your decor. So that's why I usually do the painting ahead of time. We are going to be using one of the galvanized metal signs. Okay, I'm going to be using a welcome sign from the 3-packs at Dollar General. They had these hang. I absolutely love these beads. Okay, so I thought we can incorporate this in our decor for today. I don't like to waste anything, so that was in my stash. Okay, I spray painted these in the sage green. And then the wooden letters, they also have in the crafter section, and I spray painted those in the metallic silver. But, so we're going to be spelling out on this wall decor, welcome pumpkin. And I thought that was so cute. And we're going to be incorporating, like I said, those leaves, and anything else that I forgot, guys, is going to be linked below. So let's jump into the video. We're going to be saying hello pumpkin, so it looks like we're going to be going straight. I guess we can go at an angle, but today we're going to be going straight. Okay, so let me spell that out so we get the placement that we're happy with. And I think this is looking, yeah, this is perfect. So once you like the placement, we're going to go ahead and start gluing. Okay. Also, in the end, we're going to be making a bow. So I'm not going to get into that right now because I want to get into the swag. Let's go ahead and glue these down so we don't have to worry about the placement. Make sure you are happy with that placement. Okay. So that's good. So now I'm going to start with the peak. Anyway, so this is what we have so far, and again I'll clean that off when we're ready to start gluing. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, we're going to place this aside only because we want to work with the floral. Got to get that finger off. I don't know what it is, if my finger's too big. What is the problem there? I don't know. So, okay, so you want to be going in two directions. So we're going to go in one direction, and we're going to spread these out and go in the opposite direction. Okay, because the end result, we want to bunch up in the center. Then we're going to place this right on top of that boxwood. So the bigger, the wider pieces should go on the bottom, and as they get smaller, should go on the top. Okay, so this is what we have so far. I think that looks nice. All right. Now, I'm going to go ahead, this has a wire, so I'm not going to be too concerned with this wire. I'm going to bring that in close. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a piece of this jute. Okay, and right in the center here is where we want to tie. I like to tie first. Once that's tied, don't forget you can always manipulate later. You can move these around, twist them around later. So this is what we have now so far, just to give you an idea. So if we were to bring this sign down, and remember I wanted to incorporate this, not sure how I'm going to use that yet, but we'll figure that out together. So I'm going to bring this here. Now what I can do is twist it up so that it's round. I think I like the way that looks. We kind of work this out together as we're doing it, guys. So I'm okay with, let me see if I like how this looks. I'm okay with sticking a leaf there and placing one right here. I'm okay with that. It's not look beautiful, guys? Just like that. So before I do anything else, if you're happy with something, stop and just glue it down. So we're going to do this. I'm so glad I went with that color. It looks beautiful. That floral looks beautiful. Okay, so we're gluing onto the actual floral. this is what we have so far. Isn't that beautiful? So now we're gonna, this is where the pumpkins, I took it off the clip. It kind of came off easily anyway. I took it off the clip. I'm gonna get this silicone finger off. I actually lose circulation in that finger. All right, and I think I'm gonna glue that pumpkin right there. I think that will look beautiful, just like that. So we are going to put more glue. Well, while we're waiting for that to dry, I think I want to incorporate this little one. I'm just not sure where. So I want to use that. So we'll just keep it right here because I'm sure we'll figure that out. Now we'll do that last. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I am going to make a jute bow with the ribbon, with this pumpkin ribbon here. So let me go ahead and do that. Jute all over. This, I love jute twine. Okay, so I'm happy with this. So we're going to go ahead and glue that right at the very top here. Okay. You know what? We can probably use a different hanger, so I'm going to cut this hanger off. Okay, we don't need that hanger. So right where that hole is where we're going to glue this bow. We're going to place that there. Then I'm going to go ahead and place this little pumpkin right next to that bow, right here. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to use this ribbon. I absolutely love this ribbon. I have to go back and see if they have some more because I love this ribbon. I love the color of it. It's not loud. It's just very pretty. And it goes great with the jute twine. So guys, this is what that's looking like so far. Isn't that gorgeous? No, we gotta get that with those glue strings, but this is gorgeous. I love this. Welcome pumpkin. Wow, that looks nice. I like that. It's missing something. I haven't figured it out yet. So I'm not sure if I should put another. It's missing something, but I'm not sure. But for now, it's okay. Maybe I'll cut another piece of this boxwood and stick it right in between those leaves. Then I'll feel happy. You know, when I don't feel happy, I won't leave it alone until I find something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue that boxwood. Okay, I'm going to glue the boxwood to those, in between those leaves and the pumpkin. Then I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to use one of these. And I'm going to glue this right in the center there. I think I see now that makes me happy, guys. You'll see what I mean. It didn't feel complete to me. See? And now it does. So there's two things we're going to do in the back of this, guys. I'm going to turn it around very gingerly, okay? And we are going to find the center, which is where that pumpkin is. And we're going to go ahead right here. And I'm going to glue those beads I wanted to glue down. And we are going to glue them so you don't see the end. Okay, so while that is drying, we're going to glue this ribbon. So I would like it to show. So I'm going to glue here. And this is not a heavy piece, so I don't have to worry about using any kind of strong adhesive. It should be fine on the wall. And I just want you to take a look at that before we turn our project over. Since we're waiting for this to dry here. This is absolutely gorgeous, guys. I just wanted to show it to you. So I made a stand using the wooden planks from the Dollar Tree, the wooden dowels. This is absolutely gorgeous color. I'm not used to working with this color, so that's what made it pop for me. And so head on over there to watch that video, guys. It's an absolutely gorgeous piece. It's a table piece, and that's beautiful. So I'm like into these swags right now. I don't know. Okay, I think this is dry enough. Yeah, that I can turn it around. Let's move this jute over. Let me show you what we have. Look at this piece, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? And I incorporated the little beads. I love the beads, guys. This is absolutely gorgeous. Welcome, pumpkin. And this piece here, I love it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Everything I used to create this craft is down in the description box below. Click like, share, comment below, and let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. So, I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next one.